Hello and hi friends, I am Krishna. Let me welcome you all to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are fine. In the last few days I have been helping you by giving the informations about how to use the Google Classroom. In the last video also I showed you how to send the assignment from the side of teachers to the students using the mobile device. Today also I am going to teach you the similar topic of Google Classroom, but today my topic is how to submit the assignment by the students to their teachers. Before starting this topic, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel and don't forget to give a like on my video and keep comments in the comment box as well, so that I can get your queries and curiosities about how to use the Google Classroom. Let me start, and it is better if you follow me. Let me go back in the beginning, and I need to go to Classroom. I have to click on it. Now it opens. And I have created many classes, but I have to search the class where I am a student. This is the class where I am a student. Okay, this is a class. Now after opening this class, I have to go to classwork. Okay, and I have to click on it. Now there are two assignments sent by my teacher to me. Now I have to go to assignment. I click on it. Okay, after that, being a student, it is our duty to search your work. Okay, that is why I have gone there. I click on it. Now it opens. Again I have to go to the button of add attachment. Okay, I click on it. Now students have written their assignment on the copy, so if they want to take the photo of their assignment from the answer sheet, they can do that. That is why they have to go to the options take photo, and they take photo from here. Okay, now it becomes, after taking photo, they have to go to the button OK. They click on it. Now assignment comes in the assignment box. It is coming. Now if we want to see the assignment which we have taken the photo, then we go here and we can click on it. Just for confirmation. Okay, it is our assignment. Then we go back from here. This is the button. Okay, now hand in. Again resubmit it, because I have already submitted this assignment and I am going to resubmit it. Okay, now it is the process of submitting the assignment from the side of students to their teachers. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries about how to use the Google Classrooms, please keep your comments in the comment box. I will help you in the next video. Thank you once again for watching this video.